So today, dear students, we are going to talk about the electricity. Before we start this topic, imagine a situation when you are having your summer vacations and there is a long power cut in your vacation. Would you be enjoying or you will be having the fun as it would be with electricity? Yes, you will find that lot of gadgets, lot of devices are not working and that makes life uncomfortable. So electricity, my dear students, is the most efficient energy, pollution free and very useful. So what electricity is basically doing? It is changing, or we are transforming this energy into other energies, but it can be done only with the help of suitable devices. So you need certain devices. So what is my energy? I am going to target the energy, the electrical energy. I will change it to light energy. You can see your bulbs and tube lights. Electrical energy can be converted into sound energy. Yes, in my backdrop a tile cutter is using the energy, electricity, and cutting the tiles. It is producing lot of sound, so sound energy. Radios, loudspeakers, tape recorders, the music systems, the woofers, they are not going to work if this energy is not transformed into the sound energy. The very important another form of energy we are going to use is electrical energy can be converted into magnetic energy. So electric bell at your place, some guests come, ting tong, that bell rings. This bell is converting the electrical energy into magnetic energy. You might have seen the cranes picking up heavy loads because they are working on this magnetic energy, converting this to magnetic. You have seen lot of mixies, vacuum cleaners, they are also working. The lift which carry you from ground floor to the top floor to ground floor, it is not going to work without electrical energy converted into mechanical energy. Then comes the electrical energy can be converted into heat. It can be used for cooking, it can be used for cooling and so many other things. Heat energy, you can think winters are coming. Winters are there almost. You are using room heaters, you are using geysers, you will use electric iron to iron your clothes. The microwaves and sandwich maker, we will take it to this point where electric energy is used for cooking. So you can convert in both the ways. Cooling, yes, you have seen the refrigerators and ACs and have taken a picture of it. These things, they are not going to work. Your computers, your mobile charging, so many other things are not possible without this particular energy. So dear students, this energy is a useful thing which comes from energy plants, which we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.